Why couldn't you peek in there? I could just stand on a chair and get them. Or I could reach in there.
They probably wouldn't like it if you reached in there, though. Yeah. Did you wanted to say hi?
Hi, Gigi.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Ellie, what did you want to say to Gigi?
I love you.
Didn't you want to say you wanted to have some bird pets in a cage?
I want some bird pets just like you in a cage too.
And you wanted to get some bird toys?
And I want some bird toys. And a little cup or a bath for them.
A cup for a bath?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we can get little ball for them for them's cage. So you can you can have a drink in your cage.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
That sounds good. Okay, how about blowing a kiss? Good night, Gigi.
Good night, Gigi.